Good morning students. Welcome to your maths class again, and today I am with the new topic and new unit of unit number 9 of your chapter with exercise 9.1. With the beginning of this session, I would like to continue with the first question of your book 9.1, that is identify the terms and their coefficients. This is the first question of exercise 9.1, in which the problem has been given 5xyz square minus 3zy, and in another problem it is 1 plus x square. In these two problems you have to identify the terms and the coefficients. So what is the term? Basically this is the term having the numerical value as well as the alphabets. So there are two terms in this problem, that is 5xyz square and minus 3yz. Now I will tell you about the coefficient. So the coefficient is the numerical value which is present just before the alphabets. That means for 5xyz square the coefficient is 5, and for minus 3yz the coefficient is the numerical value which is minus 3. Similarly, we move towards the next problem. In this, the term is and the coefficient. We have to write the term as well as the coefficient. So the terms are 1, x and x square. Whereas the coefficients are 1, the coefficient will be 1. For x, there is no numerical value, so we will consider 1 as its coefficient. Similarly, for x square, the coefficient will be the numerical value of it, and it will be 1. Out of these first problems, I have completed the 2, and remaining you have to complete as your homework. Now we move towards the next question. The next question says classify monomials, binomials and trinomials. So what are monomials, binomials and trinomials? Basically, mono means single. So those digits which are single, that means we say 5a, 5bc, 5cd. These are the single terms. So these are known as monomials. Whereas binomials are double digit terms which have two terms. Say 5a plus 2b, 5a minus 2c, which consist of two terms. They are known as binomials. Now what are trinomials? Trinomials having 3 digits, 3 terms, that means 5a plus 2b minus 3c, or 5x minus 2y plus 3z. So those terms which having 3 terms, they are known as trinomials. Those having 2 terms, they are known as binomials. Those having single term, they are known as monomials. So these are the two questions which we have done. In the second question, you have to classify, you have to make the arrangements of monomials, binomials and trinomials like this. So second is also your homework. Now we move towards the question number 3, which is addition. Addition, for adding the terms like AB minus BC, BC minus CA, CA minus AB, we have to arrange them first. Arrange them means we have AB minus BC, comma, BC minus CA, comma, CA minus AB. First of all, we have to bring them like terms together. So wherever there is comma, you have to put the sign of plus. AB minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA minus AB. I have made the commas, converted the commas into the addition, because we have to make it add. We have to plus it. Now I will arrange the common terms which are like this: AB and AB with sign AB minus AB. I have bring the sign also of this term. Both are same. Now minus BC plus BC minus CA plus CA. I have arranged them with their sign and as per their like terms. Now AB plus AB minus AB will get cancelled, minus BC plus BC will get cancelled, and minus CA plus CA will get cancelled. So I will get the answer 0. So this is the way which you can complete the 3 questions of this exercise, that is identifying the terms and the coefficients, monomials, binomials and trinomials, as well as the addition also. These sums I have done on the board of your exercise 9.1. Remaining are your homework. Thanks and have a nice day.